Yo, what's good, YouTube? It is Forex back with another video, y'all. And look in today's video, man. So look, I got a special video for y'all. Well, number one, my withdrawal just hit. Let me show y'all real quick. Y'all can see, just made a withdrawal for $700 on my account. My account was at 771. So first of all, my account was at, it started off with $1,000. Lost over $300 within last week. So it was at like 700 something. And then this week I made $700 in profit. So technically $400 since I deposited the money in the account. So basically my ending balance was 1,400, So I withdrew 700, left 700 in there, and I'm gonna be trading the account like I have $1,400 in there. So instead of me risking $50 per trade like I was doing, now I'm gonna be risking $60. It should be 70, but I'm gonna do $60 per trade, and then we're gonna start working our way back up there to where maybe my next withdrawal is gonna be at 1,500 again. But it all depends on how everything goes. So yeah, we just gonna see over time. But yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, I just made a withdrawal. Last video that I posted show y'all that I passed my phase one. Unfortunately, with this phase two that I'm in right now, I am actually down 69% on the account. So damn near 70%. The account is like 4,700 something. It's supposed to be at like 50K. Like I'm supposed to be back at break even, but with spread on the trade that I'm gonna show y'all in just a second, my spread basically took me on my prop firm trade yesterday, and I didn't realize until later on tonight. I sent them an email to the prop firm to see if they can like resolve it, bro. Cause that's so lame. Like how I got taken out the trade that it hit my stop loss, but it never really hit my stop loss. Weird. But yeah, like I said, hopefully they do fix that. But let's get into the markets, man. Let's get into the markets. I ain't gonna do too much talking more than I already have been. I definitely do want to show y'all what I was seeing in the market to make me take these trades, these positions, and basically make the money that I made. So I'm gonna go to the account right now just to show y'all a little bit more proof. Damn, I should have did that before I made myself smaller. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. Alright, I'm gonna leave myself this big. Alright, cool. So let me show y'all my history. So as y'all can see, like I told y'all, we drew 700, so the account is currently at 700. History on the trades. Made $64 with USD CHF, 156 with GU. Another $44 with USD CHF, $3 GU, 173 GU, and then 273 GU. So overall this week I made around like $600 with GBPUSD. Yeah, as y'all do know, that's the majority, the only pair that I trade. And then as y'all can see at the bottom, I made the withdrawal right there for 700. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell the Bitcoin. As y'all can see, it's right here. So I'm gonna sell the Bitcoin. I'm gonna sell all of it. I'm gonna see how much it takes. $11. What the? Oh my god. So y'all, this just took. So I withdrew, bro. I withdrew $700. I ended up with 666 and 24 cents. Like, how does that even work? They took $34 worth of tax and fees, and that's so to get it instantly put into my account on my bank, it would be another $12. I'm telling y'all, bro, the way they be cranking, the way they be finessing people with depositing money and stuff is freaking insane. Monday, damn. Damn, so for me to send my money, it wouldn't touch my account until Monday. I might as well just pay these $12. But I ain't gonna use this money right now either. Cause I got 800 coming to my account too. Monday, 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 Monday. Yeah, I shouldn't be doing anything. All right, y'all. I'm just gonna wait until Monday. So as y'all can see, I just sold the Bitcoin and it will be deposited into my bank on Monday. So now let's go ahead and get to it. Let's get to it. So let me make myself smaller, put myself in this corner. All right, boom. Let's get started. All right, so as y'all can see, this is how my account, well, not my account, but this is how my trading view looks. I know it's a lot of trades on here. I took 3 trades this week. So the first one was a 1 to 3, second one was a 1 to 5, and then the last one I just got out of was a 1 to 4.7, really higher than that. 1 to 5, yeah, 1 to 5. So 1 to 3, 1 to 5, and then another 1 to 5. And pretty much right now, I do see a 1 to 8 loading up. I have to like really analyze and see what the DXY is going to do, because I do see it coming into this liquidity pool right here. And when it does, it's going to shoot up, and it's going to shoot up very quickly. So I do want to get an entry on here for GU, but this structure is throwing me off. So I'm not sure exactly if this will come back up there to give me that entry, because it's already moving down at a rapid speed. But yeah, we just gonna see. We ain't even gonna do too much. But let me go ahead and do this breakdown for y'all, okay? Well, I'm gonna do USD CHF first because it's not that hard. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about just based off how our structure looks. But USD CHF. All right, y'all. So look. So pretty much, I was in this trade right here, and then as y'all can see, perfect entry. Market shot down, and it just started playing around this area. So it came back up, put me into this trade right here. So I was still in this trade, but I got into another trade right here, and then I closed out right here. So that's why y'all see this 1 to 2.4. And yeah, as y'all can see, it just been bouncing off this trend line right here. So I do see this going up into this area and then shooting down, but we just gonna have to see. Like I said, there's a lot of liquidity right here as well that the market could possibly go out and take out. But I do see the DXY getting stronger, so that's why I do say that I do want to see it go up here first before I even try to sell it down into this liquidity area, number 1, and then number 2 right here as well. So that's how we're gonna wait for this. It is playing right here, all these multiple bounces. That could mean that it is looking for something, and honestly speaking, there's nothing else that it could look for in here, because it already hit the 4-hour order block, and it pretty much already went into the area of stop loss. So if I was to like hypothetically say that, oh, it goes up here and I'm gonna take a sell again, I'll only have like a 9-pip stop loss, which is still cool, and I could take that entry, but I'd rather just wait and see if it does break this high to then give me this, and then I can just take it down, and that would be a way better entry, because there is a order block in here as well on the 8-hour time frame, or is it the daily? Oh, daily time frame. There's an order block right here. Also the 2-hour, there's an order block right there. So that's what I do see for USD CHF. Let's go back to GU, and let me break this down from Monday. So I'm gonna go back to the replay, and then we're gonna go to Monday. Monday, Friday, Sunday, Monday. Okay. So, like I said, I got into this trade right here on Friday of the last week, and I got out. So, like I said, right, why does this look so confusing, bro? One of these lines are not supposed to be here, and I cannot tell which one it is. Okay, fuck it. It's just gonna stay like that. All right. So look. So, like I said, I got into this trade last Friday from this low, and then the market started trending up. Okay. So right here was the first chance that I got to get out the trade, but I didn't pull out. I just waited. Okay. I waited, and then I seen how this structure right here made this right here. So it came down. We're gonna make this orange, a dark orange. No, that's too close to red. We're gonna make this purple. So purple shot down, shot up, shot down again, shot up. Okay. So for those that do watch my channel or those that are new, y'all know, or those that don't know, this is called the 5-leg formation. So pretty much it's something like this, where it just shoots up, shoots down, shoots up again, shoots down, breaking this low, but respecting this low, and then it continues. Okay. Same thing for a sell. Shoots down, shoots up, shoots down again, shoots up, breaks that first high, respecting the second high, and now we take this down. Okay. So it's pretty much right here is what you see right here. So now we're waiting for this to go break this low. Okay. So pretty much when I seen this, I should have got out the trade up here. I didn't do so. That was my B. But we let the trade rock for a little bit more. As y'all can see, it shot down with some crazy speed. But it still held. It still held. So I just wrote it right back up. Wrote it right back up. Wrote it back right up. And pretty much around this area, that's when I got out. So I got out right here for a 1 to 3, and then I got into this entry right here. Now, Al, why did you get into this entry? First of all, we still have this formation that it made, so we're not gonna act oblivious to that. It still has to go break that low to create the 5 formation, the 5-leg formation, how it usually does. Meaning that the move is not valid until it breaks this low. Okay. So once it came back up here, I'm like, bro, this is not finna sit up here and break this high, 1 high, 2 high, and then go up here. It needs liquidity. And plus, number 2, we still have this fat space right here of just orders. Like we literally have an order block right here, order blocks down here. So what I did was just sit up here and just wait for it to go down there. Okay. So All right, so we back in this thing, man. We back. So listen, so when I seen how the market was moving, I'm like, nah, I still want this to go down here and go take out this low and go into this order block. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I got into this trade the first time and then I got right back out. Like no bull. Like I don't even think I was in the trade for a whole hour. Like I got into the trade, was like, I don't know how I feel about this, and I got right back out. But what made me get back in was the fact that I realized, hey Al, it is the end of the month. Meaning that when it's the end of the month, bro, I don't know why the market, well, I do know why. The market does weird shit. The market does weird shit. The market does weird shit. I want to get that through your head, bro. Anytime it is the end of the week, well, I know for GU, right? Because that's what I use. But anytime that the market starts, okay, I was gonna say, anytime that, oh yeah, make sure I tap in with a new video, man. No cap. But anytime the market goes into a state of going into NFP, it always goes back to the daily low. Okay. Now, the daily low, I'm not even hold y'all, is all the way down here. Like the daily low is dead ass down here. Craziest shit ever, I know, but it is. So that's why I like to sell, because I'm like, okay, if it taps this sell, it could possibly go all the way down there. But like I said, right, back to this trade, back to the entry, back to this entry. Let me focus up. So back to this entry, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just be weird with the market. So I got into it. So like I said, right, I got out and then I got right back in. So I got in like around this when it made that high and stuff. So when we play the market, no, I lied. I got in right here. Like once it went up there and I seen that it was coming back down again, I got in. So now the market is trending, it's trending. So boom. When it got to like right here, I moved my stop loss to break even. Or I moved it a little bit above break even to just, make sure I was good. Because there's liquidity up here, also up here. So I have to be cautious about that. So now we play. Boom, as y'all can see. So boom, y'all. Look, it came and it took out this low. I didn't get into the trade. I did not get into the trade. I'm like, damn, like, do I really want to get in for this buy? Because the buy made sense. But like I told y'all, the daily low is all the way down here. Like down here somewhere. And then, since it's so bullish, I believe that it was going to come down there and balance out the market, which it hasn't done, currently, thankfully. But I was like, damn, like it bounced up so fast that I wasn't even able to get out. So then we playing the market, and then also I'm at work, so I can't be on my phone 24/7 at work. Like I literally have to get on my phone for like 5 minutes, get back off, because one, they have this thing where it tracks our time off tasks and so much other stuff. So yeah, so pretty much, it came back down. Thankfully, I got out the trade then, and then I got into this trade for a buy, and yeah, it shot down crazy. This thing was playing so much. I was at the gym yesterday, and I was telling my homeboy Eric, I'm like, I don't know if I should get out or not, bro. He was like, fuck it, bro, just hold. He was like, just hold it, bro. And I was like, yeah, you're right, because even if I lose this trade, I was already up like $440 in profit. So it would have been no point of me trying to play save a hoe, basically, right? It would be dumb of me to try to save a trade when I just made so much more money that can, cushion that loss, basically. So I'm glad I didn't get out. Because I would have been asked out and I would have missed out this whole move. But so yeah, I believe when I woke up, when I woke up and I seen this, I'm like, bro, what are you doing? Like, bro, and I tell y'all, I was so like not pissed, because I was literally like literally so slumped. Like I woke up, checked my phone, seen that I was down, and just turned my phone off and went back to sleep. Like I was like, Cause it was like I said, right? It was on the tip of you might lose this trade and you just lost, like you basically lost a little bit of profit, or you don't get into this trade and you just miss out the opportunity to literally ride this whole wave up. Cause like I said, this is a daily trend and it goes with the trend overall, like overall trend. Like what I mean by that is like the weekly, monthly, all the trends are in confluence except the 4 hour. And the 4 hour was not in confluence because, like I said, right, it was being weird to then use this as liquidity. So 1, 2, 3, and then appears all liquidity pools. So, but yeah, when I seen this, when I had woke up, literally like made some type of reaction, and then I went back to sleep. So now when we play this, the market just kept on going. As y'all can see, made that fat pull down. I didn't know what it was going to do at this point. When I realized, I was like, you know what? This whole move is a 4 hour move and it hasn't made no type of pullback. So I was like, yeah, I do see this coming back down. So I just move my take profit instead of being up here, I moved it to like right here above this liquidity area, and I got out. I got out for a 1 to 5. The market went up for a little bit more, but then it just tanked after that, and that's what y'all see. That's what y'all see right now. So this is what the market looked like currently. It could go into here and then shoot up and then give me my entry and then go back down, but we're gonna see. Okay, we're gonna see. I really want the DXY to come in here. Oh my God, I see what you're doing. Hold on, y'all. We might have an entry. So we're gonna move this right here. So 30-minute. So yeah, so if this goes up, closes, comes back down, I'm gonna take that trade to go up, and I'm gonna move. I don't know. I don't like this, yo. I really do not like this. Like I don't want to take a position from this wick because this looks so weak. Like I feel like, yeah, we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see. But that's pretty much how I made my $700 profit this week. Um, it's crazy. It's really is crazy. But yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of this video. Y'all traders, man, y'all keep attacking the markets. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and support the channel. Share with your friends for those that want to learn how to trade Forex. Like I said, tap in with this video. Most definitely something that you want to see. And yeah, catch you on the next one, man. Forex DHS is out. Gang.